Do you know the difference between straight, spiral, and helical cutter heads? Here's a clear and reliable comparison to help you choose.
A straight cutter head is the most basic design. It typically uses 2 to 4 long knives that engage the full width of the wood at once, creating a linear cutting action.
A spiral cutter head uses square inserts arranged in a spiral pattern. It runs quieter and reduces tear out through segmented cutting, but the inserts are mounted perpendicular to the feed direction, so it does not produce a true shear cut.
A helical cutter head also uses square carbide inserts, but each insert is set at a fixed angle that matches the helix of the shaft. This alignment creates a true shear cut and delivers the smoothest cutting action.
A straight cutter head strikes the wood with the full length of the knife at once. This leads to several typical issues. First, high noise, because the full width impact creates a sharp and loud cutting sound.
Second, noticeable tear out, since the 90-degree cutting angle lacks any shear action, especially on reversing grain or around knots.
Third, the maintenance cost is higher. Straight knives have to be removed and resharpened as a full-length blade, and reinstalling them means manually matching the knife height. It takes time, skill, and if any spot chips, you end up replacing the entire knife.
The helical design uses staggered inserts set at a slight shear angle, giving it several clear advantages. First, the noise level is much lower. Because each insert engages the wood point by point, the cutting impact is spread out, making the machine run noticeably quieter, especially during continuous feeding.
Second, the surface quality is cleaner. The shear cutting action greatly reduces tear out on reversing grain, leaving a smoother finish that often requires little or no sanding.
Third, vibration is lower because each insert cuts at a single point, giving the motor a steadier load. A helical cutter head usually has many carbide inserts, each with 4 edges, so one set provides 4 usable cutting edges. The inserts are solid carbide, much more durable than HSS. They require no sharpening or adjustment, and if one chips, you just replace that single insert without removing the cutter head. It's cheaper and quicker than straight knives in the long run. In the end, woodworking always comes down to the basics: cleaner cuts, quieter operation, and a smoother overall experience. If you're thinking about upgrading, a helical cutter head can noticeably improve how your planer feels and performs. We offer multiple models equipped with rounded corner radius inserts, as explained in our previous video, so feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.